So this will be a review of Tumblr. Think about microblogging host, but with social media capabilities, meaning that it has a community that can engage with you. My name is Anders Larsson and I'm an online marketer from Sweden, and what I do is provide people with small video reviews of different web services. If you want to know how I earn money creating these video reviews, then stick to the end and I will share my simple blueprint that is beginner friendly, and it is also very unique, and I will talk about why it is unique if you stick to the end. Anyway, let's continue with Tumblr. So if we scroll down, we can see that Tumblr is so easy to use that it is hard to explain. However, I will try to explain it by diving into this service and show you what you can do. So get started. You enter email, password, and then the blog name. And I will try with Legendary Marketer. Alright, not a valid blog name. And then you enter your age and that you understand and agree to the terms of service. Privacy, agree. Because I'm an online marketer, I click business, marketing and advertising. I also like to coach and educate. I teach and you are my students. And then next, verify email. I am not a robot. And then verify email. And if you're a real user, you download these apps. Otherwise, you skip to the dashboard. And for you that actually read what the page said, you know that I was just kidding. When we have verified our email, we land in the dashboard page. And the top toolbar, if you will, is where you post your content. Explore all of Tumblr will let you explore whatever Tumblr thinks you want to see. And it looks like this. And this button is the same. And then we can go to our inbox and we can send a message. We can also check stats or analytics. And this is the account menu. And the pen here at the top right corner will allow you to post new content, and it is the same as the dashboard toolbar here at the top. So let's post some text and let's do a standard test, and that means we copy the first row, we copy the content, and what I want is to see the images included in the content. And as you see here, the images are replaced with a camera icon, but let's see if this will fix itself. Alright, super strange. The post is gone. No, it's here. You can edit the post and you can delete the post. So let's delete this one. How do we really add images? We can click the camera symbol here and that will allow me to upload a photo. It looks like that you can only post one image. If you click the blue down arrow here, we can schedule the post, but let's post for now and see what happens. The question is, what if I only want to see my posts? Let's click edit and remove. So now the options to include images is gone, but you know what? If we remove the text, we can access the camera symbol again and add photos. So type something, press new line, and you get access to the symbols again. I did a Wix review, and let's try to copy the link to the video, and then add video from web, type paste link, and let's see if they have support for YouTube. Insert, and yes they do. It imports the YouTube video, and that is pretty cool, I think. And save. Alright, so this is my post. So it would be nice if I could see only my posts. You know what? I found it. You click the three dots and then copy link and then paste and enter. So here we have my post and my feed. So if you want to go to this specific post, so this is just a feed, and you can do it in two ways. You can copy the permalink or access the permalink, and here we have this specific post, or you can go to archive and then click the post. Another thing before we end this video, if you want Google to find your post quicker, then you can use a web service And these kind of services is called ping services. What I recommend is that you go to the archive where you see all your posts and then copy this link. And then you can use a service called Pingomatic. There are a number of these services. You enter the blog name and you enter the URL, and then we can check all the services and send pings. So now these pings are sent to these services, and that means that the link that we entered will be accessible by search engines. But it wouldn't surprise me if Tumblr has its own pinging service, but I recommend to ping your link just to be sure. So now you know how to get started with Tumblr and start microblogging. Now, if you are still watching, then maybe you are interested in my blueprint. So basically what I do is to create small video reviews of different web services. And before I started with the video reviews, I got almost no traffic at all. Basically what happens when you post a normal video and you use a title or a keyword that people actually search for, you may or may not get your video rank in a good position for 1 day or two, and then it gets pushed down further and further down the ranking list. And this is exactly what happened with the post I did a week ago, and you can find it here. The YouTuber with higher authority will rank higher than you, even if they don't use this keyword in the title or in the tags. So that really sucks, and you really have to struggle with new videos all the time to get seen, to get a few clicks. So pay attention to this. I repeat this again. Even if you use the exact keyword in the title and search for the exact keyword, videos that doesn't have this exact title will get listed before you. Now, I have come up with a way to force your videos by using very specific keywords. And what I mean by that is that I use domain names in the title. So if you use domain names that is not very established on YouTube, for example, gram.click, favinks, consuit, sutori, you pretty much force your videos in the search results, and people are looking for these domains. They want to know more about them, what happened when I started, and that was in September. You can see that the traffic is increasing. The top videos in a 2-day span is Medium, Tribe, and Biolinky. And here we have traffic source, and if we click YouTube search, we can see what people are searching for. So if you use very specific names, then it more or less promises you that your video will be listed in a top spot, unless there are someone that has already posted a video about the web service. But there are tons and tons of services out there on the internet that you can review where the service owner just forgot to post a video about it. So you pretty much lay claim to that portion of traffic that you will receive just by using a domain name. So now you have a very promising way to get traffic. Now, the second thing when you get traffic is that you can recommend people to use a product or a system or a program. So basically, if you share my blueprint to your audience, then they want to know, how can I make money with the traffic that I receive? So basically what you do is recommend people to click the link in the description, and here you can post an affiliate link, or you can post a sales funnel. So you tell them, click the link in the description below this video, and this will let you get started with the system that I'm using, and it allows you to earn money when someone decides to join the system. So I want to be really transparent with you and show you exactly how I do this. And if you decide to join the system that I'm using, you can then connect with me and I will help you out with any problem that you have along the way. So I'm just here to coach you with starting your own online business journey. Alright, so this is what I wanted to share with you. If you got some value out of this video, then why not click the like button? Also click the subscribe button and the bell notification. That way you will not miss any of my future videos that I will release soon. Have an awesome day or night wherever you are in the world. Take care, and I see you in my next video. Bye bye.